How to use X. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to use X or Twitter application on your device. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Play Store and download and install X or Twitter application on your device. Once you download, tap on Open button and then make sure to log in or sign in on the X or Twitter applications using the on-screen prompts. Now you will land on this home page where the home page look like this. At the top you can easily get access to For You section, which is the feed which will feature you the training post, whereas the other side the following, it is the feed which will feature the post and repost by people you follow. In order to find people you follow, tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then tap on the search X at top of the screen, and here you can easily search for the hashtags, people's username and different kinds of topics, and you can easily follow them using the follow button on the Twitter or X. And once you do that, you can easily come back to the same feed page. If you would like to compose a post, you can tap the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can easily go live, spaces, add the photos or add a post. Tap on post icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can easily type what's happening. You can easily select your audience by tapping on everyone at bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can easily select verified accounts, account you follow or only account you mention. Once you do that, if you wish to add pictures or any video, tap on the picture icon at bottom left corner of the screen. And after that, here if you would like to add animated GIF, you can tap on GIF icon as well. To add a poll, tap on the poll icon and you can easily add the questions and choices. You can easily increase or decrease the poll length as well. To insert the location, you can easily enable the location and add a location as well. Once you are done with that and satisfied with the post, tap on the post icon at top right corner of the screen and your post will be posted. In order to check this post, you can tap the profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Go to your profile and here are the posts that you post on the X or Twitter. Or else you can also click on the replies, highlights, articles, medias, likes on your profile. Once you are done with that, if you wish to follow, you can tap on the follow button and open anyone's profile on the Twitter as well. On a particular post, you can tap the heart icon to add a like. You can also tap on the comment icon here and add a reply to their post. You can tap the repost icon and here you can easily repost to your profile as well. So 52 is the number of views that this post has got. To share, you can tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen and share this post through different kinds of social media platform. If you wish to save this post, tap on the save button and it has been added to your bookmarks. Once you are done with this, you can easily tap the communities icon at bottom of the screen and here are all the communities that you can explore. Tap on the notification icon where you can easily get notified about different kinds of posts from all verified and the mentioned account. Tap on the message icon at bottom right corner of the screen and this is the direct message section where you can easily share the conversation with other people as well as start a conversation with any user on X or Twitter. So to explore the premium feature, you can tap on the premium button at bottom of the screen and here you can easily subscribe and get the premium features as well. So that is it. That's how we use Twitter or X. If this video helped for you, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos.